Okay, Prasad, so let's proceed forward with your mock interview for MS Thermal in IIT Madras. So, Prasad, very brief introduction from your side, academic introduction. Please proceed ahead.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Prasad Devkar. I have done my schooling from Kunthalgiri, which is known as the Siddhakshetra in Jain community. And I have done 11th, 12th from Ferguson College, Pune, and I did my BTech from VIT Pune, and I have done final year project as on solar air conditioning system, and I am very interested in various numerical techniques or numerical analysis in thermal science. So I am looking forward to join the advanced computational engineering research group in IIT Madras. Thank you, sir.
Tell me your CGPA and your GATE score.
My CGPA is 8.75 and my GATE score is 590.
519.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
590.
So what area would you like to work if you join IIT Madras? Have you identified some research area?
Yes, sir. Means I have gone through the website and I have gone through the profiles of various professors, and I'm not very sure the particular area, but I'm very interested in computational engineering. So I want to join the research group which works on computational engineering with thermal science, means heat transfer particularly.
So what do you mean by computational engineering, Prasad? What do you understand by that?
Means we have in practical we do, means various practical problems we don't have the analytical solutions. So for practical purpose we made some assumptions and approximations, and by that we means we get the results which are not truly correct, but they are some approximations and we can go with that approximation. So for practical purpose the computational engineering is means very important, like the CFD is the one of the example of it.
So is computational same as theoretical analysis or that is different?
Sir, computational is different from, means it is theoretical only, but it goes hands on with the means experimental results. We means we develop the numerical techniques or the analysis with by verifying the experimental results, and we
You're good in CFD?
rectify.
How good are you in CFD?
No, sir. No, sir. I have some basic knowledge, but I haven't done any course on CFD.
Okay, Prasad. So you were mentioning about your BTech final year project. What was that?
Sir, it was a solar air conditioning system. Means it is done with the liquid desiccant dehumidification.
Okay, can you tell me the difference between refrigeration and air conditioning?
Sir, refrigeration is process in which means we for particular material or some means area we decrease the temperature below 0 degree or means required, and air conditioning means that is for our purpose, means in air conditioning we control both temperature and humidity of atmosphere, so it will be comfortable for me.
That is a comfort engineering.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. Comfort engineering.
How important is the mobility or motion of air in comfort engineering?
Sir, means sir.
See, if I'm using AC in the room, should I use fan also along with or not?
No, sir. If there is AC, we don't require fan.
Are you sure if I don't use fan, the kind of AC used will be same? There are two conditions I'm giving you. I'm using fan in the room plus AC. Second, I'm using only AC. Tell me in which case it's more efficient utility and you will get less consumption of electricity.
Sir, let me think. Sir, means in the situation first, that is with fan, there will be less electricity consumption, because means due to air flowing velocity, means there is means less electricity consumption.
Okay, तो अब ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं, हम एसी के अंदर के फैन को इनबिल्ट कर दें सो दैट हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजम्पशन रिड्यूस कर दें, कुछ कर सकते हैं ऐसा? कैन वी डू दैट?
Means for means evaporative cooling system is the one of the means cheap cost means cheap technique we can use for air conditioning and means.
Okay, so you know what is COP?
Yes sir, COP is coefficient of performance of any
रेफ्रिजरेशन
refrigerant
साइकिल और COP, रेफ्रिजरेशन और एयर कंडीशनिंग में COP किस में ज्यादा होता है?
Sir,
Can I use reverse Carnot cycle as ideal cycle for refrigeration or air conditioning?
yes sir, reverse Carnot cycle is ideal cycle for refrigeration.
Okay, so you know how to calculate COP in reverse Carnot cycle?
Yes sir, means COP is COP has formula as T minimum by T max by minus T minimum.
Okay, now use this knowledge and tell me AC और refrigeration में COP किस में ज्यादा होगा?
Okay sir.
You need not to calculate anything, you can otherwise also think of.
Sir, refrigeration में that difference, so COP will be minimum, means comparatively minimum in refrigeration, and air conditioning it will be higher in case
Why?
of air conditioning.
Yeah, why you said that?
Sir, means in COP formula we have in denominator we have T max minus T min, means temperature difference. So in refrigeration system, the means temperature, minimum temperature is very less comparison to air conditioning, so it will be means COP will be less in refrigeration.
अच्छा, अगर तुम एक AC परचेज करो और उसको दिल्ली में यूज करो एंड उसको बॉम्बे में यूज करो,
सर means
तो COP या एफिशिएंसी किस में ज्यादा आएगा? You are using the AC in Bombay, you are using the AC in Delhi.
Sir, in Bombay environment there is a additional latent load on the AC, so so the efficiency in that case will be less in Bombay environment, but in Delhi environment there is means humidity level is low, so in Delhi there will be means comparatively large efficiency in Delhi.
In Delhi.
Yes sir.
Okay, is there any difference with the ambient temperature? Suppose मैं AC को यूज करता हूँ जहाँ ambient temperature और आपके required temperature में difference बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, तो COP will be more or less?
Sir, COP will be more.
मतलब समर्स में अगर मैं बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी और AC चला रहा हूँ तो उसका COP कम होता जाएगा, जैसे जैसे मौसम अच्छा होता जाएगा तो COP बढ़ती जाएगी. इज दैट द आंसर?
नो सर, COP मींस
पहले टेम्परेचर 45 आया, फिर 45 का 40 आया, फिर 35 आया, फिर 30 आ गया एम्बिएंट टेम्परेचर, एंड रूम टेम्परेचर इज 25.
यस सर.
तो जैसे से टेम्परेचर आपका एम्बियंस का रूम टेम्परेचर की तरफ को आ रहा है तो COP इज इंक्रीजिंग, राइट? टेल मी व्हेन रूम टेम्परेचर एंड एम्बिएंट टेम्परेचर इज सेम, व्हाट इज द COP? मैंने एक AC लगा रखा है, बाहर और अंदर का टेम्परेचर बराबर है. टेल मी व्हाट इज COP?
Sir, there will be heat transfer between surrounding and room. So means heat rejection will be zero. So in that case, we don't require any air conditioning system. So COP will be means there is no consideration of COP if the temperature are equal.
But people still use AC when बाहर और अंदर का temperature बराबर है. Why?
Sir, for comfort zone means for human the comfort zone is 50% relative humidity and temperature is 25 degree. So maybe the case will be the humidity level will be higher in outside means outside condition. So there is need of AC in that case.
Okay, over to you, Vishal sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, Prashad, you mentioned about your interest is in thermodynamics, heat transfer, the thermal area you're interested.
Yes, sir. Fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and thermodynamics.
Okay. So, like the same case, if you will consider, there was some AC attached in some room.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And the room is in steady state.
Yes.
Like with that AC, suppose you are maintaining some 21 degrees Celsius temperature inside the room. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Room is in steady state. So while using that AC, if we are interested to calculate the entropy generation, how we will calculate? And first tell us about what is entropy generation, and second just tell us the process. Just tell us the process how you will calculate the entropy generation for this particular process.
Okay, sir. Entropy generation it is due to the irreversibilities in the in the process, and entropy is like randomness in the process, and means we have by second law we have formula that ds equal to integration of del q by t plus s generation, and means for no sir, means I am not getting how to
try to think. It is very simple, easy. Just you need to think of steady state. I very clearly mentioned, again I am stressing on this steady state. The room is in steady state means you are maintaining that temperature. So the temperature inside the room is constant, you can assume. Are you getting? By using that
yes, sir,
AC,
yes,
the room is in steady state. Try to think how you will calculate the entropy generation.
It means in steady state the heat transfer will be constant, and
Okay, let me give you a hint. Another link, Prashad. The room is in steady state. So what we can say, suppose there is no heat generation. There is no heat generation inside the room. So we can say the heat which is actually entering from the outside, the heat which is entering into the room, that is the same heat extracted by the AC. Are you getting? The
yes,
heat,
sir.
the heat leakage into the room, that is equal to the heat extracted by the AC in steady state. Now, can you think?
Means entropy change will be the means that means q by t we can calculate by that, means if the input heat is q in by the temperature of means temperature of the system, that is means room, and means it will be q by t.
Q by T over what? Like that is the entropy generation. Q by T is the entropy generation. Which Q? वो जो Q आप बता रहे हो, that is what? How you will calculate that Q?
Means Q is the if heat gained by room is Q, entropy generation will be 2Q by T, means it is heat coming and heat going outside, and the sign will be
So what is heat
negative.
rejection? Like what is heat rejection in air conditioning system or refrigeration system? Prashad, what is heat rejection?
Heat rejection is means from condition space we the heat extracted and it will be rejected, that is means heat rejected.
So what do you think? Like suppose we are getting few amount of heat from the surrounding, and how much we are dumping? We are dumping Q plus W.
No
We are
sir.
taking from the room,
Q.
from the outside. What is the amount of heat entering into the room? Q amount of it.
Yes sir.
That same Q is the refrigeration effect. How much heat we are dumping outside?
Q
plus W. No, not Q.
so, sorry sir, Q
We
plus
dump Q
W.
plus W. So what is the
Yes
net
sir.
heat transfer outside?
Yes sir,
You
Q
can
plus
say.
W.
You can say, like if you will say there is no heat generation, so room is in steady state, so you can say there will be no entropy change of the room, entropy change of the surrounding. Then it is very easy to calculate what is the entropy change. The work, what you can say, into the compressor, that is actually converting into the heat. So that work divided by the atmospheric temperature, and that will be positive. That will be positive.
Yes sir, yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
That is entropy generation. Is there any difficulty in calculating this, Prashad? Okay, Prashad, if we will consider a plane slab,
Yes.
plane slab, if we will consider, and if we will go with assumptions, one-dimensional steady state heat transfer with heat generation. One-dimensional steady state heat transfer with heat generation inside the plane slab. Okay. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
governing equation? How you write the governing equation for this?
Means I will write it.
Yes.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. What is that QG?
QG is
What is it, QG?
heat generation per unit volume.
Heat generation per unit volume. Fine.
Yes. Sir.
So, okay. So what type of temperature profile we will have in this case? In this slab?
There will be
what type of temperature?
parabolic temperature distribution.
Parabolic
I
temperature
can show.
distribution.
I will means I can show it in diagram. This type of temperature.
So temperature will be maximum at the center always.
Means it will depend on the boundary temperatures or boundary conditions, both on both sides. And if the means temperature will be different there, then it will not be at the center. It will be means if the temperature is higher on left side, then there will be left shift in the temperature.
Fine. So even if we will neglect this heat generation, suppose there is no heat generation, then what type
Yes,
of temperature profile we will have? If there is no heat generation,
then
it
will be linear, sir. Linear temperature.
Linear. With
yes.
What assumptions? What are the assumptions?
Assumptions are steady state, one dimensional, no heat generation, and means material is isotropic and homogeneous, and
constant thermal conductivity.
Yes sir, yes sir. Constant thermal conductivity.
Achha, if your conductivity is changing, suppose.
Yes sir.
Suppose if I will write some K equal to K naught into 1 plus alpha T.
Yes sir.
Just you can write K equal to K naught into 1 plus alpha T.
Yes sir.
Where T is the temperature.
Yes sir.
And K naught is some conductivity.
Yes
at
sir.
some particular temperature. So K is your variable conductivity.
Yes sir.
So what type of temperature profile now you will have if there is a variable thermal conductivity with this relationship? Suppose at that plane
Uh,
side, one side you can assume higher temperature, one side you can assume lower temperature. What type of temperature profile you will have?
Means heat generation should I consider or no?
No. You just consider one-dimensional steady state heat transfer without heat generation with varying thermal conductivity.
Okay, sir.
Prashad, you are driving something.
Yes, sir. I am means writing the means equation by that.
Mhm.
So, it will be means k is not k is variable, so the governing equation will be changed. That is del by del x into bracket k into del t means del t by del x equal to 0. So means we can from that we can we will get the temperature profile. I am doing it, sir. Sir, means the relation will be square root of square root of x.
Just show me the temperature profile. Prashad, just show me the temperature profile.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Fine.
yes.
So, Prashad, you worked on some solar air conditioning system.
Yes, sir.
So, this system was based on VCRS system? Was based on VCRS or VRS?
Uh, Means it is not means in our project it is not completely VAR, but we can think of as vapor absorption refrigeration system. It is
No.
not
So,
VCR.
what you developed? Like some experimental system you developed?
No, sir. Due to COVID-19 situation, we just means referred some research paper and we developed a mathematical model of that system.
Some mathematical model you developed. So, with what software?
With help of MATLAB, sir.
With the help of MATLAB. So,
Yes.
what is the refrigeration capacity? Can you tell us about the refrigeration capacity? What do you mean by refrigeration capacity first?
Uh, uh, means what amount of heat can be extracted from the system by that device? It will be called as means refrigeration capacity.
So, what refrigeration capacity you have fixed for that particular solar air conditioning system?
Sir, means uh, for our project we focused on the optimization of that solar collector and calculating the means COP. We haven't actually done it for means particular.
So mathematically, you have obtained this COP.
Means no, sir, it is not mathematically. We means various components means for deciding the size of absorber regenerator. We have
No, so you designed that VRS system. Means you calculated what is the area of the absorber required, area of the condenser
yes, sir.
required. All those things you have calculated.
Yes, sir. But
Just tell me one thing. Like just one question to you, Prashad, from this experiment, this particular project. How you calculated the absorber area? It's a heat exchanger, but what type of heat exchanger you have considered? There are
means
lots of different types of heat exchanger.
means
So
random packed type means
random packed type. What is that?
means it is a type of means absorber or regenerator. random bed type.
What correlations you have used to calculate the area? Because in absorber there is not a two-phase mixture. Like there is salt also. Okay, there is vapor also. There is liquid also. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So what correlations you have used for that? Like calculating the H value, convection heat transfer coefficient. Because after calculating H only you will be able to calculate U, and then only you will be able to calculate the area of the heat exchanger. Are you getting a point, Prashant?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yes.
What correlations you have used for calculating the H?
Sir, I actually don't remember the correlations because that part we referred from paper. So we have
Just you can you can just give us the name at least. You can highlight the name only. I'm not asking you the correlation. What's the name?
uh,
There are lots of correlation, but I want to know what correlations actually you have used.
uh,
Okay,
sorry, sir.
fine.
I am
Just fine. Prashad, can you tell us about the COP of a VRS system? What is COP of VRS system? How we can calculate COP?
COP is the heat rejected by work done by the system, and in VAR system uh, uh, for VAR system we used absorber regenerator and pump uh, in place of compressor. So uh, there is
Prashad,
formula.
fine. Suppose Prashad, if you know all four temperatures, you know the generator temperature, you know the condenser temperature, absorber temperature, and evaporator temperature.
Yes, sir.
By knowing all these four temperature, if you are interested to find out or just write some expression for the ideal COP of VRS, how you will write? Ideal COP of VRS system in terms of all these four temperatures.
Uh, Sir, sorry, sir, miss, I am not recollecting the expression for that.
It is something in terms of the efficiency of a heat engine and COP of a reverse Carnot refrigerator. It's a product of that. Efficiency of a heat engine operating between what? What is the highest temperature? That is TG.
Yes, sir. Regenerator temperature will be highest.
And PA, absorber temperature. Heat engine working between those two temperatures. And similarly, the reverse Carnot engine working between the evaporator temperature and condenser temperature.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, Prashad. I think you're not getting this. Can you just tell us about the working principle of VRS? What is the working principle of VRS? How it works? I'm not asking you. Just listen very carefully. Listen again. I'm not asking the working, how VRS works. I'm just asking the working principle.
Okay, sir. Means in VAR system, the principle behind it is the regeneration. That is, we use some desiccants or absorbance or absorber or adsorbent in that system. So it means from air it will absorb the vapor and means it will due to that latent heat will be means temperature will of air will be increased in that case.
Fine. So Prashad, can you tell us something about the second law of thermodynamics?
Yes, sir. Second law is the second law. There are two statements of second law. One is Kelvin-Planck statement, and second is Clausius statement. And second law is mainly means shows us the processes which are not possible. Means by first law there is no directionality of the process, but second law tells us that which process is possible and which are not possible. Should I give the Kelvin Planck statement?
No, no. So which processes are not possible according to second law of thermodynamics?
Uh, uh, Means the processes where means the uh, uh, yes, entropy will be negative or means it is impossible. So where we get such a situation or numerical, then it will be impossible.
No, no. What type? Again,
Process.
I'm asking you, Prashad. What type of processes are not possible according to second law of thermodynamics? You need to correct. Actually, the way actually you explained earlier, that is not right. You need to correct it. What type of processes are not possible according to second law of thermodynamics, or what you can say, considering the entropy?
Means the processes where entropy means will be decreasing. That processes will be not possible.
Entropy cannot decrease in a process. You want to say
Yes, means system plus surrounding.
net
If
entropy?
the yes, sir, yes, that entropy will not be decreased in any
Entropy
case.
change. Entropy of the universe can never be negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by quality of energy, Prashad? My last question to you. What do you mean by quality of energy?
Quality of energy means like heat. If we consider heat cannot be 100% converted into work, that means it is low grade energy. And if we consider work or kinetic energy or potential energy, it can be converted 100% into another form of energy. So it will be high quality energy or a high grade energy.
So how will we measure the quality? How we measure the quality of it?
Sir, means for quality we use second law efficiency. Yeah, and second law efficiency is the means it has various formula for pump or anything. It is the actual work divided by the maximum or reversible work in for that process.
Mm-hmm. Fine. Okay. I think Prashad, we can give feedback to you now. Yes, sir. Vijay sir.
Okay, so Prashad, what I understand is like आपका जो ये है ना बीटेक का प्रोजेक्ट है उसको एक बार ढंग से कर लो, वो रेलिवेंट प्रोजेक्ट है. The project which you have done is quite relevant, right? So revise that well, what you have done, and each and every term in that you have to revise well. Understand? So RAC subject बहुत अच्छे तरीके से you have to answer. That COP वाला question का answer you could give right. You know, as the difference decreases, the temperature difference decreases, COP increases, reverse Carnot.
Yes,
As the difference in temperature increases, the efficiency increases, Carnot concept. So if I talk about engine and if I talk about refrigerators, so as the difference between the two reservoirs increase, the engine efficiency increase, right?
okay, sir.
As the difference
Right.
decreases, then the COP increases.
COP
Now,
will be
in AC and refrigerator, since we are working in AC in less temperature difference and refrigerator we are working on more temperature difference.
yes, sir.
So refrigerator ka COP that way, reverse Carnot cycle ke hisab se is going to be less, which you answered rightly. But when I give you the hint of reverse Carnot cycle.
Okay, sir.
So what are these terms, COP and all that you should know, and then obviously certain things related to air conditioning. I asked to comfort air conditioning. Just read what is comfort air conditioning. What do you mean by that? And air motion is very important parameter in that,
Okay, sir.
right? And
Yes, sir.
also you should know what is the research area you are going to work. Have you visited the website of IIT Madras?
Yes, sir. I have visited and I have seen profiles of research areas of
If they
professor.
ask you very categorically which area would you like to work, you are clear in that?
Means I'm not in particular means clear, but means the research group which are working on computational engineering. I am very interested in that.
See, theoretical analysis is all about a theory in which you do not put experimental things into that. Computational, on the other hand, is nothing but simulation on the basis of experimental result. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They might ask
Yes,
you
sir.
whether you want to go for experimental or you want to go for simulation studies. You say, sir, I want to go for simulation, experimental input along with simulation. I want to go for both.
Okay, sir.
And just be aware about what research they are doing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Over to you, Vishal sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Prashad, VRS का working principle you need to know because you worked on VRS system and you can highlight, sir, when we mix some kind of solute into some solvent, means lithium bromide is absorbed by water, that actually results in the drop in the vapor pressure of the water. Like suppose I will give you two tanks in which in one tank you are having only water, in another tank you are having lithium bromide and water. So when you will having that mixture, the vapor pressure decreases. So that is actually happening in the absorber. So that
Yeah.
vapor pressure difference, that is actually creating the pressure differential in the evaporator and absorber. And that is the working principle, Prashad. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what do you need to say, sir? How the refrigerant flow, like in case of sir VCRS, we are having compressor which suck the charge from the evaporator,
Yes, sir.
create the pressure difference and supply the high pressure refrigerant into the condenser. Okay, but here how the pressure difference is creating, that working principle you need to highlight. And after getting that mixture is pumped with the help of a pump into the generator, where it will be separated again and refrigerant again is expanded into the expander, and then it will go into the evaporator, takes latent heat from the evaporator. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
वो कैसे pressure difference create करता है, that is the working principle. You need to be very you need to aware about that.
Okay, sir.
COP क्या होता है? It is very simple question from VRS. How you will calculate the COP of VCRS? That is simple. That is a refrigeration effect getting
Yes,
in the
sir.
evaporator divided by the heat supplied in the generator plus W pump, work input
Yes,
into
sir.
the pump. That
Yes,
is
sir.
a COP of a VRS, theoretical COP. But if you want to find out the ideal COP, so ideal COP will be the efficiency of the heat engine operating between the condenser temperature and the generator absorber temperature and the generator temperature, and the COP of the reverse Carnot heat refrigerator operating between the condenser and evaporator temperature. देखो VARS में condenser and absorber both temperatures are same, you know. कंडेंसर का और जो एब्जॉर्बर का टेम्परेचर होता है दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम. तीन टेम्परेचर बोल सकते हैं, इवेपोरेटर लोएस्ट, जनरेटर हाईएस्ट एंड इंटरमीडिएट टेम्परेचर ऑफ दैट एब्जॉर्बर एंड कंडेंसर. तो एफिशिएंसी जो आपकी हो जाएगी उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा. तो एक बार देख लेना वो कि हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट द आइडियल COP. The equation for one dimensional steady state heat transfer that you written rightly you have mentioned that equation, generalized equation. Temperature profile क्या होगा with the varying heat thermal conductivity, constant thermal conductivity, so all those things are right. तो heat transfer का वो चीज आपने right answer किया. Next I asked you about the room. In some room you are having some AC attached, so what will be the entropy generation? So that also very easy one, Prashad. You know, to think, sir, what is entropy generation? Sir, entropy generation is the change in entropy of the system plus change in entropy of the surrounding. Okay, go step by step, na? Like easily you will get the answer, Prashad. You need to think what
Yes,
is
sir.
entropy generation. If anybody is asking you entropy generation, sir, entropy generation is system plus surrounding. So what is system? System is in steady state. Many times I mentioned the room is in steady state. So that entire system is in steady state. You can say there will be no entropy change. The AC is a cyclic device, तो उसके लिए तो कोई entropy change नहीं होगा एक पूरे cycle में. So net entropy
Yes, sir.
generation will be what? The heat rejection into the atmosphere divided by the atmospheric temperature. That will be the plus,
Yes, sir.
minus heat taken from the atmosphere at atmospheric temperature
Yes, sir.
only. So दोनों का difference क्या
Yes,
होगा?
sir.
The difference will be work
Work.
done on the
Yes.
refrigerator divided by the atmospheric temperature. That will be the
Yeah,
net entropy
atmosphere.
generation. तो थोड़ा सा clear रहना है. Okay, quality of energy. What do you mean by quality? That you mentioned, right? एक part और इसमें आप highlight कर सकते हो available energy का. So if available energy is actually a measure of the quality of energy. If available energy is more in a heat, then we can say the quality of energy is more. If available part of the energy is less, then we can say quality is low. So
Yes, sir.
available energy, or what you can say exergy is a measure of the quality of energy. What is quality? That you explained right. वो आपने सही explain किया. तो overall आपका knowledge ठीक है. आपने thermodynamics heat transfer के question answer किए, but project के questions you have not answered questions for project. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you need to work on your project. VCRS refrigeration आपके लिए बहुत important हो जाता है because your project was majorly related to refrigeration and your interest is also in thermal area. So work
Yes, sir.
on RAC, entire RAC you need to prepare. Okay, separately, parallelly you need to prepare your thermodynamics and heat transfer. So these are the three subjects which you need to focus.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है प्रशांत?
Okay.
So
Okay,
anything
sir.
you want to ask, Prashant?
Sir, means if I don't tell about the projects and it may be the case they will ask on only subjects.
No, then they can also you need to prepare your project. Like whether you are highlighting it or not, you need to prepare your project.
Uh, o- okay, sir.
Okay. Everybody they also know like if you are not that much comfort. When is your interview, Prashant?
Sir, it is on tomorrow.
Tomorrow you are having your interview. So what is good for you? Don't highlight this project in your introduction part. If they will ask you, then you need to
Yes.
be prepared about that basic part. Nah, what is project? What you did? What work you carried out? And the basic working, the VCRS and all refrigeration part. But don't highlight. Okay, if you are not
Okay, sir.
comfortable with it.
Yes, means I will not. And sir, means if means 590 score is they means there will be weightage or for gate or not in MS.
Prashad, you are getting coal. You are getting coal. You are shortlisted. So means you are having 100% chances. Don't think of the score now. Okay, you just try to give your 100% in your interview, and if you are able to perform well in the interview, surely there are good chances for you to finally succeed for this.
So-
Remaining, Vijender sir will answer this.
Prasad, your gate score is not required once you get call.
Okay, sir.
They don't even see
I
gate
thought.
score. MSP, if that
Okay,
is the
sir.
criteria, how come student with 350 gate score journal category is getting admission into PhD IIT Delhi? You tell me.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If
I get
350
it.
gate score, a student in journal category is getting PhD in IIT Delhi in applied mechanics department, then that means once you get a call for MS PhD, then gate score is not at all important.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Only interview is decisive in certain things like MS, PhD, BARC, ISRO, DRDO, etc. ये
Okay,
research
sir.
organizations और higher education जो है ना उसमें only interview is important. That is the reason we are investing hours together on your interview preparation. Me and Vishal
Okay,
sir is sitting for the last now 45 minutes. Purpose is to train you for interview. Because
Okay.
gate score now they don't even see what is the gate score.
Okay.
What is the research area, which direction you want to go, those things are important.
Okay, sir.
So just prepare that seriously, forget about no gate score and then do your best.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
I have means shortlisted for IDRP department also. So means for that, should I prepare for the project topic means in depth?
You must be going for some project, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that project which you are going for, yes, you should prepare that in depth. And I tell you one mantra, if you want to 100% selection, you want that?
Yes, sir.
You want that I should be taken for sure?
Yeah,
Then
yes,
I give
sir.
you a mantra. Mantra is prepare a PPT for that project.
Okay, sir.
And the moment interview starts, request them, sir, I made a small brief PPT of 5 slides on this project, which I want to do. So please permit me to share that with you.
Okay,
And
sir.
you are in. They will take you for 100%.
Yes, sir. Thank
Now
you, sir.
I've given you
Thank
mantra. I've given you mantra. It is up to you to make that slides or not. You can take our help in going through that slides.
Yes, sir.
We can see that slides. Me and Vishal sir can see that slides. Suggestive corrections. Make that slides very good. 5 slides only. The project
Yes,
name.
sir. Yes.
First is project name.
Yes, sir.
And after that project name, what I propose to do in this project. 4 slides. Very briefly
Yes.
said, 5 to 10 minutes presentation. That's it. The moment you do
Okay,
that,
sir.
you are in for sure.
Okay, sir.
This
I
year,
will,
this year, this is going to work. Next year, maybe it will not work. Why? Because next year everybody
Okay,
will
sir.
make slides. Why, Vishal sir? Everybody will make
Okay.
PPTs.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understand
Okay,
that?
sir. I mean,
Prasad?
yes,
Do
sir.
it.
I will register for
And
that
you know, this
interview
year
also.
many
Means,
students have got selected on the basis of this thing, this particular technique.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ऑफलाइन में नहीं चलता, ये ऑनलाइन में चलेगा. अगले
Yes,
साल
sir,
से
yes.
ऑफलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन होगा.
Actually, sir, that is showing the dedication, that is showing the interest of the candidate in research. And what they want, Prashad, like they actually they are taking your interview just to check whether that particular student is interested in research or not.
Okay.
That is a very good thing actually sir has mentioned, and you can
Yes.
utilize. You can
go for it.
Yes, sir.
हमें
Yes, sir.
slides बनाओ और हमें दिखा देना. When is your interview?
It will be on Saturday, next Saturday. I think Saturday or Sunday. Means I have time.
Show the slides also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will show means or Monday or Tuesday. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vishal sir. Thank you.
okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.